Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody doing today? It is the 9th. The 9th of May. Hopefully I put that in my stream correctly. For some reason I feel like I put the 8th. Oh no, I put the 9th. Okay, good. So we got 55 seconds to those 30-minute candle closes. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get myself involved with this sell position. Around 2028, like 27, I can imagine we start creating a support to start recontinuing, these highs up here. Could be a big potential that we could have a nice buy retracement play, but I do want to try and catch the sell play moving down though. Ooh. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back. All right, folks. Man, this candle's fighting real hard. It does not want to go bearish. Trying to stay far away from pound yen. It's very consolidated. What's going on, Vishal? 30-minute candle with low wick, volume dying, 1 hour, 30 minutes breaks his previous low. That's why he took the sell. Yeah, I would have to say relatively here. I took this sell here because it's pretty much the start of our resistance. I feel like it's a good start of our retracement play down to this area here. I feel like we should form a good support around this area, and then we should be able to continue back up and retest these levels here. I thought about being patient and just staying out of these sells entirely and just waiting for the position just to come back down around this area or for any retracement, because the retracement could relatively start right here. So I kind of took a pretty fat risk here on taking this sell. Higher time frames are still relatively bullish. Like the hour's like like you said, a weak momentum. So not too much going on with that hour, but I want to just see if it's possible we can get that. But I will say with this hourly how it is, of course, you know what I'm saying, has dropped some momentum to it, but it doesn't mean anything because we're in such a clean range here that it could easily just keep pumping up. I just understand that since 4 a.m. or since like London session, 2 in the morning, we've been trading up quite some time here. So let me see. From here to here, that's like pretty much 800 pips. Or excuse me, 80 pips. So I guess really that's not that much, really, because we've seen gold move like 200 pips before, so this easily could actually start pushing that direction. I might consider 50%ing my position right now so that if it does go against me here, it's going to be, a very, very small loss. But very good question, Vishal. Anytime you have any other questions or anything like that, you please let me know. So yeah, at the moment for trade management purposes, you know, pardon me, just because it is one position, and today I probably would just take one position. I have been having a little bit of a rough week, but I want to just probably just gonna hold full on this, to be honest. There's sometimes I'll try and like cut losses pretty short, and lately sometimes I've been cutting my losses short, and it's as long as I held my stop loss where it originally was, I would have won the position. So this one, I'm kind of just sticking to my guns on this one. I don't want to just cut the trade too early. Part of my decision here in my head is thinking like right now, in a moment like this, since it has been bullish for most this time, part of me wants to close 50%. So just in case. Hey, buddy, Vishal, everybody has, different risk parameters. I risk 1.5%, you know? Since I risk 1.5% daily, that's what my magic key sets me at a lot size at 0.11. I'm not going to over leverage. There's no need to trade a standard, and I'm cool with risking 3% a day if need be. But it's all about the consistency and getting that down. I don't care too much about the money as of right now. Um, until I'm able to consistently hit trades, then we'll go ahead. That would be a better idea. So in the past 3 months, we're so far only about 71 bucks profitable here. Um, oh, he said no, 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 not that. Okay, okay. Your voice. Ah, my bad, brother. My bad. My bad, brother. But yeah, so through the past 3 months, we've been doing relatively good. I can't say we're going crazy, right? You know what I'm saying? We're not doing anything fucking major, but you know what I'm saying? We're staying profitable as traders, and that's like the main goal for me right now. But Vishal, thank you so much, bro. Let me know if you can still hear me though. Hopefully it's better. Let me lower this music. All right, how about that, my guy? Is that a little bit better? Sorry about the technical difficulties, I guess you could say. But yeah, brother, how's trading for you been, Vishal? I'd like to know. Has it been, pretty decent for you, or you know what I'm saying, been killing it? Have you been kind of, here and there, a little bit break even? You know what I'm saying? Winning one trade, losing the next one, winning one trade, losing the next. You know what I'm saying? I've kind of been a little bit in that I guess you can say a little bit in that wishy-washy kind of area. I've been like winning some trades, and then I win two trades, lose a trade. So I'm trying to just give it boom, 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 boom. Every time I'm in that position, I'm hitting good trades. Yesterday we did really good with risk management. Actually, we did very well with risk management yesterday. We had two positions, and we're able to. I think we lost about a total about 1%, like maybe 1.25%. But that was with two positions, so that felt really good. So with this position here, we just need 18 pips. Hopefully, we're able to get that move. Yeah, buddy. Hey, we all learning, baby. Even the best traders themselves, they're still learning stuff too. Yes, sir. That's great though, man. That is great. It doesn't matter how much is in your account, bro. Just always know that. If you can't grow $100 account, you ain't gonna grow $100,000 account. So it's like it's all about perspective. As long as we're staying profitable, that's what matters, dog. And I'm proud of you for doing that. You know what I'm saying? For real. I commend you for doing it because it's tough to stay disciplined and keep doing this because I've compared this to video games before, but in a video game you lose, it ain't a big deal. You just load that motherfucker back up and you're just like, okay, back in the game, right? But in trading, it's real discouraging. It's real discouraging because when you start losing trades, I mean, you're not just losing in a game where, oh, I just got killed or, oh, you know what I'm saying, got to hit my headshots. You know what I'm saying? No, it's like you're losing money. And doing it live too can make it that much more stressful because you're, of course, trying to do the best to give good, valuable information to people. And if you're constantly losing on stream, it can mess with your psyche for sure. And that's kind of why I'm doing my live stream so I can show everything. I want everybody to see my emotions, what I go through, everything in regards to just not having a huge account. Because I feel like most people that trade, live or anything like that, generally are in a pretty damn good spot. You know what I'm saying? I'm nowhere near where I want to be in my trading career, but at the same time, I'm happy with where I am in regards to my relative success and staying profitable. I can't be like, oh, I'm going crazy, account flipping and shit like that. But eventually there'll be a day when that is a thing, you know? Thinking about going ahead, closing half. We'll close half here. Want to go ahead and secure some positions here, guys. So let kind of the rest run a bit. Let me see what you guys saying here, my guy. countless if I true. As long as you in profit, account size doesn't matter. You're very right, buddy. I definitely agree with you there, and that's the powerful thing. And Vishal, I'm pretty sure we're all on the same Discord. Exactly. And your $500 will be fucking $50,000 one day, bro. Exactly. It's just a matter of perspective, bro. If we get these habits down, shit, there's not much that can stop you, dog. Because the beautiful thing about trading, it's all individualistic. No one can tell you to make the trade, sell the trade, buy the trade. Everything is on you. And so if you got that skill set, dog, ain't no one taking that shit from you. You know what I'm saying? That's why I feel like Forex is so powerful. And it gives us the opportunity to trade wherever we want in life. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love this. Because if I can master this skill, I can go anywhere in the world. And I would definitely like to. Being an American, I can't lie. I think it's very beautiful. All places of the world, you know, regardless behind governmental stuff and everything like that. You know, I respect all countries. You know, and as well since I am American, you know, I'm Mexican American. So like for me, I really just want to show like the best example of an American, you know? I want to be like the person that, very kind, I'm generous, and people can look at me and be like, that's a cool ass American dude. You know what I'm saying? He's not stuck up. He doesn't got a huge ass ego. Um, I want to put all that to the side. When I'm in other countries, I want to be down to earth and just get down with the people, dance, enjoy myself, and just love life. You know? About 4 pips away from my original take profit, so really hope we're able to hit that. Come on, baby. We are so close. Come on, baby. Fuck, I'm just closing that 90% right there. At this point, I just want to feel a little bit more secure with this. We're going to put stop losses at break even too, guys. That's that's what I like right there, boy. Nice break even trade. I know, right? That's what I'm saying. It's touch it, baby. Come on, man. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Let me go. I can't really close shit on this now. Right? Yeah, it's a cool little dub. Cool little dub. I wish I could close partial again, but I really can't. Oh my god. Might be coming up to our stop loss here. I was gonna try and get a cool little video at the Magic Keys and Dominion Markets, my stock brokerage or my forex brokerage, excuse me. Uh, but wow, it looks like we're trying to reject here, so I might not even have time to get that video on there. It might just be hitting stop loss, break even, which is totally cool. But yeah. So there it is. Okay, so not bad at all. But that's why we have our stop loss at break even, guys. Once we're in profits, last thing I want to do is lose, especially when I'm in profits. If you guys tuned into the stream in the beginning, this position was really fucking. I'm not gonna lie. To be honest, for me, this position had me nervous a little, relatively, because how bullish we've been trending. Understand it's only been pushed about 80 pips. New York session, I've seen it move about 200, 250. And we have such a clean range to the left side that I started thinking, oof, what if this retracement play starts happening now? Higher time frames are still bullish. The daily was very bullish. The 4 hours bullish. The only thing that started being different was that hourly and the 30 minute. 30 minute being clear that we have resistance. The hourly being very wishy-washy with a very weak bullish candle. That, you know what I'm saying, really made me worried. I can't lie. I was very worried about the position here. Um, but to be honest, I just know that as long as I'm risking 1.5%, and yeah, fully corrected, man, 100%. I understand what you're talking about. You're talking about my mic volume and not my my volume in regards to the trade. But that's why I was like, thank God, I did want to, because there was a time like whenever the trade was up here, I'm not gonna lie, I 100% thought about closing full. I was like, Jesus Christ, man. I was like, yesterday had a really rough two positions. They went in relative profits, but then went straight to stop loss, which is totally fine. It's how trading is sometimes. Just gotta have a better bias, and sometimes I gotta understand when to chill. And yesterday I feel like was a day I should have just chilled. It was kind of choppy markets yesterday, not the best price action, and I was being risky, and I wanted to take that. I wanted to take that risk. I want to take on that probability, and yeah, it definitely got me. But even if I did take that probability yesterday, the trades weren't too bad. This trade could have done better. I 50% a little too early. Yeah, exactly. And that 1 hour closed bullish, so that made me feel some type of way. Um, this position here, I can't say we did the greatest because we did close, half pretty early, and then we weren't able to get that full take profit. So relatively hindered how much we were able to get here. But um, oh yeah, 100%. Yes, sir. Vishal definitely have bought that. I would sometime soon he's actually closing it for some time. So if I was you, man, I would really recommend getting it. There's a ton of information on there. Still for me to this day, man, I got still a good amount of market fluidity videos I need to finish. I haven't even moved on to the SRC videos yet because I still have a ton of market fluidity videos that's all there, ready to be, learned. So that's something that I always have to do anytime that I have a free time, is to watch my videos and to get more knowledge and to understand more. Um, it's kind of the point of why we're in these markets, to get better and learn and learn and learn. But yeah, buddy, 100%. I would definitely recommend you. What I'm saying? If you have the funds, I would recommend it because it's a pretty hefty check. You know what I'm saying? Me too. Watching every day. Also, Vishal, you have the SRC as well. Hey Vishal, if you have the SRC, let me know which video you're on because right now I'm on the TED Talks on the market fluidity side. I'm on TED Talks, and I'm now I think I'm explaining a wick fit or no, it's I just finished like the risk management video with Uncle Ted. And if you don't know who Uncle Ted is, man, that guy's crazy, man. I mean, that guy's a he's super super. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, but hey, that's honestly why I found Raha Banks was through YouTube. He was doing YouTube live streams just like I am right now, and I'm not gonna lie, I learned so much just from that. Just from watching his YouTube live streams. I would work at my regular job in the morning, and then I'd come home every day, and every time I'd see on my break around noon, I would uh I would see the I would see him make a trade in the morning around 7 o'clock, 8:30 ish, and every time I'd see that, I was always like, gosh damn, I'm over here at work right now. I can't even hit these trades he's hitting. But every time I got off work, I was always able to look back at his stream and be like, damn, this guy, he knows what the fuck he's doing. And it was the first time. Exactly, it's all there. And it's all he shows everything. When the loss happens, I would be shocked. You know what I'm saying? Because watching his shit, he's losing like 3,000 bucks, but obviously everything's perspective. He's got a lot more in his account. That 3,000 is like still like maybe a 1% to a 1.5% loss for him. But when I would notice that, understand how he was gauging his risk, how he was using like his R to R and his profit and losses ratio, like all of that, like seeing it live helped me understand more like what a trader does. Because for the longest time, I mean, trading was really confusing to me. It was like, I didn't know when to enter positions necessarily. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't know like there was like better times to trade. Like, I didn't understand sessions. You know what I'm saying? There's a whole bunch of stuff that I learned through him. And, as well, if Vishal, if you're on YouTube, man, somebody else who has a ton of free information who I think is very, very informational, who I can't say I've studied a whole bunch yet, but something I definitely need to study more of. And the reason why I haven't studied him so much is because I have a ton of videos I need to finish on market fluidity. But regardless between market fluidity, there's a guy named Capital Hungry. If you look him up, man, Capital Hungry, he is very, very informational and super good with understanding central banking, macroeconomics, basically understanding the behind the scenes of the Forex market. And, with his understanding, he's able to trade pretty much, relatively whichever pair that he's been usually trading, obviously, but like, he has a great understanding of where the markets can, relatively lead to. And this is a skill I'd like to obtain myself. So, very, very cool watching his stream. Very interesting that gold is melting right now. Like, wow. And see, now this is what I'm talking about, Vishal, right? So I didn't ever want to risk the profits, right? I'm happy with every decision I made, but there's some part of me that thinks, and this probably happens to every trader, right? But the part of the thing that I'm thinking about is if I would have just kept my stop loss where it was and never 50% in my account, like one bit, if I never like close 50 here and then close another 50 here or like the rest of it, I could have hit my 1-to-1 spot on and it would have been a little bit more profitable instead of how I, closed 50%. But with how wishy-washy that was, obviously I'm not, what's it called? I'm not regretting the decisions I made on closing those 50% because it made me feel more comfortable in the position. But these are all things to help build my confidence. That's like the most thing I can say is build my confidence to hold my positions full because there's times, man, it really is tough, especially after you like yesterday, I lost 2 trades, right? So coming today, I really wanted to make sure I won a trade. I mean, I was determined to make sure I was able to win a trade and be patient and find the correct, probability. Obviously, we found the correct probability and we're touching the level I've exactly wanted to hit. This is the 100% the level I needed to hit, and we're now hitting it, right? So very smooth here, but very wishy-washy though. I will say, definitely pretty rough. I gotta put down where I took profit and where I took profit, like, I believe, like 15 pips. Oh my god, TP1 would have been smashed. So yeah, definitely keeps me in the back of my head. But either way, very very thankful for the position. Yeah, exactly. Well, I guess you could say more trade management. Because trade management is when the decisions you make when you're in profits. Risk management is what you do when you're losing money. So, obviously I know what you mean though, 100% Vishal. Like I get what you mean. It is definitely technically it's just generally speaking it's risk management. But like if you want to get technical with it, whenever you're in profits and you're starting to manage business, move your stop losses, trail stop losses, all that is called trade management. And then whenever you're starting to lose, you know, that's when you're starting to risk manage because now it's like you're losing now, buddy. What you gonna do? And that should be the ooh, risk management always be nerve wracking. So I believe it was about 15 pips. Yeah, something like where did I take profit? 2029.57. Yeah. Yes, sir. Vishal, thank you so much for tapping in my stream, buddy. Like I said, buddy, I'll be here tomorrow morning, so let's get to it, man. But yeah, 100%. After this, I'm cutting the stream myself. Is what it is, man. We back here for another day. This whole day we got to study and to keep getting better, man. So Vishal, let's keep doing that. Let's keep increasing our knowledge and let's keep making these trades happen. If you're in my Discord, buddy, I'd love to see it, bro. I don't give a fuck if you have a $10 account. Bro, it's all about perspective and just getting it down together. I need to update 3 trades on my Discord and 2 videos. So that's it. Um, but regardless, buddy, always post your positions, man. I'd like to see the whole community get more active. And yeah, man, thank you so much for tapping into my stream today, man. And always letting me know, my voice volume. I appreciate that. It's super helpful to me, because I can't 100% tell. But either way, my guy, thank you so much. Whew. All right, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Just gonna close it for today. Pound yen starting to trade up, but truly doesn't matter though. It's been so consolidated. I don't care what happens here. Retracement play might be able to happen. If it closes here, what a fucking stop loss this would be. I mean, that kind of suck for anybody that did wait for the retracement play. At this point, I'd rather be bearish and then form another support candle because this is huge. You're going to have a fat ass stop loss just to feel relatively safe. I mean, of course, you have the control to always put your stop loss generally where the fuck ever, right? You could have open your trade here and then have your stop loss here and have like a really tight stop loss. But I mean, the chances you hitting that stop loss are going to be much higher at that point because price has already been in this area. You know, it's very fluid within this area, so it could easily boop, come right back down. Anyways, though, folks, great talking to you guys today. Love the stream. I will see you guys tomorrow, and everybody have a great day.